Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the stone and preparing a bright white light. This reduces false color. Once done, hold the dichroscope to your eye and bring the gem into the viewing zone. Position the light at about 45 degrees so internal colors appear. Make sure to orient the instrument so the split images are sharp. You do this because dichroscopes separate polarized light. That reveals pleochroism, or single-color behavior, which helps identify anisotropic versus isotropic gems. You now rotate the stone slowly while keeping the dichroscope steady. This exposes different crystal axes to polarized light. As you turn, observe whether two distinct colors or just intensity changes appear, record hue and saturation differences, and at which rotation angle they occur. Once you see consistent color pairs, compare those observations to expected pleochroic behavior for likely minerals. Make sure to test multiple orientations because pleochroism is directional and can be missed if you only view one axis. You finish by concluding, two stable colors mean anisotropic and likely pleochroic, while a single color across rotations suggests isotropic material. Once done, note the color pair, the rotation angle where changes occurred, and the light type used. These details are essential for ID. If results are ambiguous, make sure to repeat the test with a polarizing filter or try a different light intensity. Because weak light, or oil residue, often masks pleochroism, this troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.